Lightning strikes at a church camp. One bolt hits an 18-year-old in the head. It's difficult to imagine. 20 to 40,000 volts of electricity ripping right through his body.
Yeah, even more amazing, he survived. And tonight we're hearing from his family about what they say saved his life. Andrew Del Greco live tonight with the story only on 4. Drew?
Yeah, Wendy, the family says it has been an emotional roller coaster waiting for good news from the doctors. Well, say they got that good news and they are calling this a miracle.
He saved Zachary's life because we was told at the Parkersburg Hospital that he wouldn't have made it off that field alive if somebody wouldn't have administrated CPR to him immediately.
An emotional Sherry Sandy, along with her husband Russell, say that without the CPR administered by friend Caleb Tisdale, their 18-year-old son Zachary would not have survived a lightning strike to the head.
I know there's folks that have survived these kind of types of injuries or whatever, but I just, again, it's a miracle that there was somebody who knew CPR.
Imagine being struck by lightning in the head with that bolt of lightning passing through your entire body and exiting through your feet. It happened to Zachary Wednesday while on a West Virginia baseball field with friends. His parents say he has the burn marks, scorched clothes, and ruined shoes to prove it. But even after the near-death experience today, they say there is a calmness inside both them and their son.
Inside of us is a calmness because whatever happens, we know that that God's in control.
Now Zachary is alert tonight. He will make a full recovery. Now, he had a chance to play football at the college level. Again, he's 18 years old, but he's decided to turn that down. He's going to be a minister there in West Virginia. Now he has quite the story to tell. Reporting live, I'm Andrew Del Greco, Channel 4 Action News.
All right, Drew.